Let's get it to transform. Malachilima, where is your project? You not do it. You not do your project. You collect fine. 10 million. You pay 10 million. So this is the these are the columns. So let's first go through the document. So here marketing, bank marketing campaign analysis. So these projects analyze a bank marketing dataset containing 11,162 customer records and 17 attributes. So when we say attributes, what does it mean? When we say record, what does record means? Like the number of what? The number of rows, right? Then the attribute means the columns. So the objective is to identify factors that influence whether a customer subscribes to a term deposit and provide actionable insight for improving future marketing campaigns. So if you scroll down, let's see the business problem. So who is that? So banks spend significant resources on marketing campaigns. Understanding which customer segments are more likely to subscribe to deposit help increase, which will increase the campaign success rates, improve customer targeting, reduce marketing costs, then increase revenue from deposit products. Then the business question, which is the here we have which customer groups are most likely to subscribe to deposits. How do age balance, education, occupation affect subscription rates? Which communication method produce the best results? So how do previous campaign outcome influence customer decision? What customer profile should be targeted in future campaign? So these are the business question, the business problem, and the business question. So let's take example that you are invited for an interview, and this is what you are given to do. This is what you are given to do. That is why you need to be doing projects. You understand? Because once you come across something you've done before, it becomes very easy for you to do. So this is the business question. Then let's go down. So here we get the data set information, the number of rows, that is the total customer, then age, that is customer age, the job occupation, the job means the occupation, then marital status, education, then the education level, default, credit default status, balance, average yearly balance, then housing means housing loan, then loan means personal loan, contact. I'm trying to explain each column. You can see that, explaining each column one by one. So you don't have to have issue and say what is the column, what is inside this column. So if you can go through this, you understand what each column represents, what each of those columns represents. You understand? Why I make it like this is that I wanted it to be like something you guys can easily do. You get what I'm saying? Something you can just, that's why I give you everything. So explaining each column, then the key metrics, which is the KPI. And see, I break it down. What you should get: the total customer, the deposit subscribers, the non-subscribers, conversion rates, average age, average balance. So you are meant to get these measures. Then we have the data preparation. That is the cleaning part of it. The age, ensure the data types is O number. That age, ensure is O number. Then the balance, convert to what? To decimal number. Check for negative balance. Then these are the calculation you're going to. The formulas are there. So I wanted it to be like something step by step. It's already, the guide is already there. What you need to just do is to go over it and follow the instruction. By now, we are supposed to have finished this project. See everything, the formulas you need, everything is there. See everything, campaign, you can see everything is there. Everything. You see. This one you may not need this one because you can just use the normal table to do everything. But if you want to split it into fact table, you can bring out a fact table. So you understand what I'm saying. So you may not need to split it. So this one is talking bringing out a fact table from it. So this is the DAX measure, conversion rates, average balance, then average core, then subscriber, then this is dashboard, the dashboard's design. We have 3 pages. This is 1 page. This will be 1 page. This will be in 2 pages. This will be in page 3. This page 3. Page 3. So I have up to page 4. Page 4. So you're doing 4 dashboard. 4. So you can see now that it's not 1-day project. That's why I send this thing to us that, oh, let me even see what we can do then. Just like we did the last time, we can now do like somebody will share his or her screen. I look at what the person do. I use the person's to do correction. But I don't understand. Most of us work can find our daily stuff. So daily 2K. So that is just it. But no problem. Let's work on this one now. So let's look at the data set, the columns. So the age, so you to make sure that it's O number. So you check. Don't just assume. You can see that my age is O number. So check yours from your own end. So the job, I'm going to work on this age column, capital data A. Then the job may not be complete to do that. If you want to do that, do that. Then I'm going to capitalize the first, capitalize each word. Then I'm going to trim in case there is spaces before the text. So then if you look inside, you see there is dots inside. Admin dots, admin dots. So I need to take away the dots from it. So replace. It's something you do step by step. You don't rush doing it. Anyway, you stop, you continue from there the next time. I'm done taking away the dots, so come here also. Marital status. And convert to capitalize this word, then also trim. In case there is space there. Move to education. Also trim, capitalize, trim. Trimming means that to remove extra spaces. So in case there is space before or after. So then default. Capitalize first later, then trim. So balance. So what do we ask to do with balance?
Change the decimal number.
Change the balance to decimal. Done. So that's for housing. Housing.
Wait, Mr. Dan,
Yes, ma'am.
who did you replace the dot in the job with?
Which one? The job.
Yes.
It's showing admin dot. Admin dot. There is dot there. So
Okay.
I replace the admin dot to admin alone.
Okay.
Instead of me finding dots.
Yes.
Mm-hmm. That's what I did. Then loan. Loan. Contacts. Then day. Months. Day. Months. Duration. Campaign. Previous day or past day. Previous. Outcome. Let me convert this to deposits. Type. Analyze. First. So, please, I'm done with this. So, if you're done, let me know. Just can notify me so I'll know that you're done. To ask question, or you want to ask question, so I know where you are.
So,
What are the
Mr. Danny,
yes, ma'am.
you just change the capital letters and then trim. That's all you've done. Have you done
Yes,
the balance? Have you changed the
I've,
decimal?
yes, I've done that one now. I've done the balance to decimal.
Please, you change it from the data type, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
So there are negatives.
There should be negative now.
Okay. Okay. That's fine. All right, no problem.
So based on the question, we have to group the age, right? We have to group the age. Are we done with the cleaning? Are we done with the cleaning?
I would suggest you just go on, because if you do all this, you might waste more time.
Okay.
You
I should
understand?
move on, right? Okay, that's good. So let's so let me ask a question. So why might a bank customer have a negative balance?
Because he borrowed money.
Like debt, Abby, it's owing. So you don't have to remove them. Sure, you understand.
Yes, yes.
So what the question asks you to do there is to check. To check. So I didn't say you should remove them. So you can filter to confirm it. Filter less than 0 to confirm. Can you see? These are
Okay.
the that have but less than 0. You get. So what it can be there is maybe debts. Do you understand? Maybe they are owing. So if you see minus in your own bank account, know that you're owing. No. So I'm going to clear it off because we don't need to remove it, right? We don't need to take it out. So the next thing we need to do now is to load it. Let's load so that we can be writing the DAX function. I don't want us to write formula A today, so let me rename this one first. So let's close and apply. So data view, like the table view, add new column. Then deposits status. Is it good enough? So if deposits, which is bank deposits, bank. Hello? Yeah. Good morning, sir. Fine, sir. I don't do am. People am again. I don't do am for. Or you message am for WhatsApp. Okay. This thing they will do now. What is it called? Donuts and water. Yes. Yeah, no problem. Yeah, tomorrow now. It's 10, oh. It's 10, but we'll come early. Alright, sir. Yeah, thank you, sir. Yeah. Sorry, let's go. So, oh yeah, if you know it, be telling me you. Deposit equals what? Yes, right? I give you formula now. If it's yes, it should return what? I know the follow.
Successful. Sorry. Subscribed. Then not subscribed.
Subscribe, then not
Not
subscribe.
subscribed.
I don't give una guide now, so one of the respond. So with this, you know people that have subscribed and people that have not subscribed. So let's see. You confirm to check. You can see there is not subscribed, there is subscribed. So next is calculate the age group. The age group. So how do we get the age group? And the condition is there. So add a column again. So what will be the name? Age.
Age group.
So using switch function, switch. So instead of using if statement, you can also use if statement for this age group.
True.
Using switch. True.
Brother, why did this?
You say what?
What is the T this 2T for?
No, I'll remove it. I'll remove it.
Okay.
It's true. I need to put the not city. It's true. True. Then you call out the balance.
Age.
Bank age less than what? 30. That is from what? 18
18 to 20.
to 29. Comma. Then
Bank age.
age. If you want to be picky, don't type bank, because if you type bank, you bring out all the column. Just type that unique thing you want to use. So
Okay.
you have 40. 40 is what? 40 is 30
to 39.
to 39. Thirty to 39. Then next, bank age less than 50.
50.
Then 40 to 49. Then age bank age less than 60 is what?
50 to 59.
50 to 59. Else
60 plus.
60 plus. I'm done now. So we need to put it. So that is it. So the switch function is used for multiple arguments. The switch. So the switch function is used for multiple arguments. There's multiple conditions. Can use for multiple conditions. So this is a comment. So this is a comment. So what is the next thing after that? Campaign category. Right?
Yes, campaign category.
Yeah.
So campaign category. if bank campaign less than equal to 3, comma,
Low, low contact.
low contact. Else
Icon.
icon. Plus. So
Yes.
so looking at this question now, where are we now? Where are we? 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 Yeah, campaign Abby. So
Yes, my campaign efficiency.
yes, I want to ask a question. Somebody should answer. I'm not sure how to work for Banco.
Mm-hmm.
Somebody should answer this question.
Contacting customers too many times is bad. Customers will get tired of the call.
So if bank calls you once about the products, that is okay now.
Yes, now.
What happens if they call you 10 times in 1 week?
I'll block them.
You block them.
Yes.
So it becomes annoying now. Customer gets frustrated. If bank keep calling you, you can block the number self.
I didn't start them.
Also, that can damage bank reputation. You understand? Can damage bank reputation. So what you should also know is that banks spend money every time they contact a customer. So that's what you should get. And if you are like getting too many calls from them,
I think that's why most times they send text rather.
yes, they keep sending
So
My
that
email.
you have to glance through it at your own convenient time instead of them
yeah.
calling. One of the people that actually do this call is this DSTV people, and it's so annoying. You know? So
So that is just it. So these are something that they can ask you. That's something they can ask you. So they can also ask you that those customers they contacted many times, do they subscribe more often or less often?
Most of them have even forgotten about the bank.
Hmm?
People they contact many times. I don't think it's all customers that they contact that we will really have active accounts.
Okay. Who else?
Yes,
Or
for
maybe
fact.
it's their highest paying customers, either the highest paying or the lowest active accounts.
We'll confirm it from our data also because here we have we said if it's less than 3, I mean that is low contact. Then if it's higher than 3, that is what? That is high contact. So we'll get to know if we are getting people that are subscribing more. You understand? People that are subscribing more compared to, so we can get that also. Let us see. Let's confirm. Because we already have subscribers now, right? Let me check the column. um, deposit status and campaign. So let's see. So here we have roles, campaign. So see both of them here. Then let's calculate our customer. So we need to add need to create a table. So this table that we're going to use is for our formulas. So we use this table to calculate our total customers. Measure. Total customer count rows, then bank. So we have it here. Oh yeah, somebody should interpret for me. Somebody should interpret for me. Based on the question I was asking now. Maybe you know what I was asking. Now they answer me now.
What was the question again?
Ah, go back. Oh yeah, I see. Then I now ask again that. Oh, okay. Let me paste it there. Oh yeah. Can you see the question?
Yeah. Your screen is blank.
Blank.
Okay. Oh, okay. Customers are contacted.
Should I go back now?
Yeah.
You know, you cannot. In data analysis, you don't assume something. You use data to give facts. So you need the data set to verify. You need to verify. You understand? So you don't just assume. Oh, you understand? So back now. Oh yeah, look at it.
The ones that are the ones that are not contacted often. Wait.
Based on subscribe though, based on subscribe.
Okay, based on subscribed.
Mm.
Low contacts, the ones that are not being contacted more, subscribe more. But their value is 4,580. Why the ones that are always being contacted is lesser? That's 709.
What about eye contact?
Yes, the one of high contact, they didn't subscribe more. Why the one of low contact subscribed more?
Okay. Let me ask another question. Getting to
Sadam, excuse me. How do you refresh your Power BI again?
home. Is it here?
Okay, okay, okay.
Let's go again. For those that are not contributing, this might be your interview question. I pray it should not be so that you not go mess up. Contribute. Right, you don't go there and say, I was doing it too. Hey, I was doing it that day. Ah. It may not be the same data set, but the same question. So, yeah, let's look at this now. Read this instruction that you're running to. Come back, come back, come back. I'm not finished. Oh yeah, somebody should check this one. So, real life interview question. A bank manager says, let's call customer more often. So they will buy our products. Then, as a data analyst, what will you check before agreeing? Tell me, what number one? What will you check? This one now. The bank manager is telling you this one. Bank manager, they'll not be data analyst now. So you understand? They're not data analyst, they'll be manager. So they tell you, say, they talk for meeting, say, call customers more often. Let's call them more often. So they will buy our products. Then now you are a data analyst inside that meeting. What will you contribute? What will you say?
Well,
What will you say?
first of all, at this point, you have to find out those that have actually subscribed. First of all, the number of people that have subscribed and the how often they actually subscribe.
Okay, okay, okay. Like the conversion rate of number of contacts. Let's just say
Yeah,
like that.
yeah, yeah, yeah. Yes.
Okay. Then cost per successful subscription. Like you have to check people that have subscribed. Then also you have to look at customer satisfaction. Do you understand? You have to check customer satisfaction. The last and not the least, you have to check previous campaign results. Do you understand? Before you conclude that, oh, by calling customers more, make them to buy more of our product. You have to check what they have, like their past records.
You also have to ask the manager, whoever is asking you, like, what period would you want me to
Yes, you have to check. That was
check
say
in
past
there?
record. Like
Yes.
you have to
Because
check
if you say
past
past
record.
record, yeah, there's a lot of records that have happened. It has to be
Uh, what
specific.
what what I mean by past record? Before, let's say we have meeting today now. We have meeting today.
Yeah.
Talking about this thing now. Then I tell you that, Mr. Mike, let's call our customers often so that they will buy our products.
Yeah.
You will not say from what period. No. They don't know. They don't know those ones. You understand?
Yeah.
You have to start from the last year. That's why I say past, like last year, previous, the
Okay.
previous campaign that they have done.
You
If
know.
you now say selecting range of year, they may not have they may not have a data can speak facts. No, not all companies have complete data. It might be when they start using data is when they employ you. Then that period they have employed you, they have run 2 or 3 campaigns. Campaign means like adverts.
Mm.
You understand?
Yeah. Yeah.
So you will check those campaigns that you've run. So it's from that campaign that you've run that you will get your results. Otherwise, if you assume by giving them the answer, say, oh, based on the data, no. You don't do assumption there. You have to list out what you should check. So for this particular one we are doing, the one I will list out for us is one, the expected answer you should give. Number one is the conversion. You have to check conversion rates. by number of contacts. You have to check conversion rate by number of contacts. Then you have to check the cost per successful subscription. Then customer satisfaction. Then previous campaign. Should I tell you something now? Do you know that when you talk about data, that person you want to ask does not know how to extract data? Do you know? That person you want to ask for the information may not know how to extract it. So it's you that as the analyst now that will like, oh, I will need these tools to extract this data. No, each company have where like their different database, you understand, where they keep their data. Some have a particular software, you understand. Some are on cloud, so different places they keep their data. Some they have the, like, let's say Jumia now. Jumia have their own data on the web, you understand. So you can extract Jumia data. If you are working for Jumia, you analyze their own part, because they are not like bank data sets are very secure. You get, you can't just be seeing them publicly. Sure, you get. So you can't tell me that somebody is seeing your accounts now. You understand? But if someone that have been employed in the bank, they can give the person access of the database of all customers. You get. So if you are asked to do it for a particular period of years, oh, from this year to this year we have make so profits, so why are we making losses? So you can now do that for. So that is just how you can check it. So you can see that Power BI data analysis is beyond drawing charts. You can see the way we are going into it step by step. So what is the next step after this? What is the next step? So we need to calculate. We have already gotten what we need here, but I don't need this table for now. I don't need this table. What the only thing I needed is just the total. I don't need the table. I just need the total. This is what I need. So total customer, we have 11K. So also need to calculate subscriber. Who can tell me how to calculate subscriber if you know it? Subscribers. Anybody? Anybody?
Yeah, using controls, calculate function.
Subscribes. So
Calculate, right? Controls.
Count rows. Okay. Bank. Then what is?
Are you using all no blank row?
No. I count row blank.
Okay. Then comma, then bank and deposit, bank deposit.
Bank.
Deposit.
Bank deposit.
Equals yes.
important to say. So 5K subscribers. So non-subscriber subscriber is 5K. Non-subscribers. So non-subscriber, the same formula, right? Calculates count row, count row, reduce count rows, bank, then we have bank deposits equals no
I'm recording this class.
record break.
Okay, well,
So this is non-subscriber, then subscriber. So now we need to get conversion rates. Conversion rates. Conversion rate divide subscriber, and so you need to divide subscriber, then total customers, so you can get your conversion rate. So you have to format it in percentage. So this is my conversion rate. Then average duration.
Mr. John, sorry to bring
Yeah.
it up. This conversion rate, what does it, in layman term, what does it really mean?
Okay. Who can explain to him in this class? Anybody? Anybody? Nobody? So if you know as now I go assume now. Okay, let me make it simple for you. If 100 customer, are you listening?
Yes, I am.
If 100 customer were contacted, if 100 customer were contacted,
Okay.
and 20 of them subscribed to a deposit,
Okay.
was the campaign successful?
No. No, for me, it's not, because it's low. It's far lower than the average.
Okay, so it's true because 20 customers subscribe.
Yeah.
So the bank does not just want to know how many people subscribe.
Okay.
It wants to know what percentage of customers subscribe.
Subscribed. Oh.
That is 20 people that
Okay.
subscribe.
Okay.
So in a basic mathematical calculation, what this thing just did is that it's converted divided by number of subscriber divided by total customer
Customers. Okay.
multiplied by 100.
Okay. Okay.
That is what we just did. So that's why you're having percentage here like this.
If you had to use another term instead of this conversion rate, what will you use?
To get it,
No, like if you use that name, conversion rate. If you are used to if you are to use another term, that name, another name for that, what will you likely use?
percentage of subscribers now.
Okay.
Percentage of subscribers.
Okay. Okay. I think that makes sense.
So
Thank you.
you're welcome. So let's move on. What was the next thing? So I may add the definition for you here. Let me drop it here in case you need this. So that is what we mean by conversion rate. So let's go back now, back to our calculation. So the next year, like I said, this project you're doing is not something you finish today. So we have to calculate the average, right? 1 minute, I'm coming. 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. Hello? Yeah. Are we there? Are we there?
Yeah, we are.
Average balance. Average balance. $1.53K. So adding average balance, for me, I think we should bring out, I know it's not there, I think we should bring out total balance, right? If we get total balance also, inclusion. So, so these are total balance. So duration, average duration. Okay, no problem. Let's fall into this place. So let me take it out here. So 4N. So these are the cards. I feel that we needed. So these are the cards we needed. So the first question, somebody take the first question for us.
Wait, Mr. Dan, you do not have average age for the card.
Average age. Yeah. Thank you. See now you remind me. Average age. Where are you?
You didn't know average age.
No, I say you should have just remind me now. So I didn't do it actually. Average age. That is the last one, Abby.
Yes.
Average age. So for the first dashboard, what are we doing for the first dashboard?
We're doing
the deposit status.
yes.
Customer. So let's use do not chat for it.
Deposit status distribution.
So we need deposit status. And we need total customer. This is that it is us. Oh yeah. Explain. Chat. Explain.
It only shows that you have more people who did not subscribe compared to subscribers.
More people that subscribe. What is percentage? You're not measuring numbers. Give
Okay.
us
We have okay. For on these customers that didn't subscribe, we have a percentage of higher percentage of 52 points. Man, this is time. Okay, 52 points something percentage. While we have the subscribed ones having the percentage of a lesser percentage of 47.30%. Clearly shows that we have more people who did not subscribe.
Okay, good one. So for me. That's okay. So you that want to make reports, this is what you do. You can just screenshot this. Okay, hold on, let me take it out. Come with the, will not come with the line. So I've screenshotted already.
Please, can you remind me of how you did this? You taught us one time.
Windows Shift X. Windows Shift X.
Okay, Windows Shift X.
So this one is deposit. I'm making reports once, as you can see. I want to make report as once. I don't want to. So, and making reports, of course, you have your AI to assist you, but you know that you cannot. There are some level of image. I mean, the maximum of image you upload before they will tell you that you should wait till tomorrow.
Yeah.
So you make sure that you prepare your dashboard ready, everything ready before you make the report. So you just give it the image. You understand?
Yeah.
You just upload the image. You can use Gemini, you can use the ChatGPT. So there are a lot of AI. A lot of AI there. You can use just upload the stuff and tell it to summarize the report for you. You get. So for this one now, I want to make report for this one. I want to add it here. I'm not just doing it like we are supposed to do it, but I just want to show you. So I want to add it below. Let me put it below. For question 1. Start from second page. Okay. That is deposits, right? Deposit status distribution. So I'll pick that image. So if you're good with Word, I'm not teaching Word. If you're good with Word, you can put the text by the side. You get what I mean? If you're good though, but I'm not teaching you Microsoft Word. You're good with it. So you can position the text. So we can now say that deposit status distribution shows the proportion customers who subscribed maybe the wrong. So who subscribed to the bank thing. those who did not subscribe. So then you can now start putting your key findings, like the total number of customer, the people that subscribe, the people that did not subscribe. So who can give me the number of people that subscribe? The key findings. Let's do the key findings. Please check your own and use it to tell me the values. I don't want to be scrolling down. So the total data set, what is the total? User bullets. The data sets contain how many? What is it? Total of the data sets? 11,000. Let me check here. 162. Now don't disappear when I see the class. 162. Customers. Then for those that subscribe, how many? What is the people that subscribe?
Is it?
People that subscribe now, yeah now.
Wait, I didn't even know this today. Okay.
Check the number now. I've done it already.
Yeah.
47.38.
47.
0.38.
That is the percentage. No, the number. That is percentage. Is percentage. See.
5,000.
5K. So it can be 5,000 something. You understand? Let's confirm this. That's top D. All these things are something you need to check. Where is that value? Value. Where you did. Let's look for it. Multiple cards. Color, shape, background. Subscribe. All. Padding, no. Line, layouts. Horizontal. Bottom. Reference label. No, not here. You can also check from your end. What I'm looking for is that values to change it to 100 instead of or thousands. Value. Supposed to be this. No. Catch. Multi-row catch. No. Layout. This is where it's supposed to be. Subscribe. Subscriber. This is it. 1,000. 10 up to Okay, checking it for you. Auto. Um, 1,000. Okay, none. Can you see? Can you see this?
Yeah.
I've changed it to none. You have to like you can't just assume that it's 5K. Do you understand? So you just use this one to convert this one also. So I don't want to convert by itself. Kill, check, non subscriber. Then you do the same thing. No. So this is it. That is it. No. So we're able to. Oh yeah, somebody should call this value. Put this value in your head and call for me. These two values.
528 now.
So the first one, 5289 customer subscriber.
Yeah.
Well, this one subscribe to the product, to the deposit product. So 5 what again? 5873. If I'm wrong, check it later on. Customers did not subscribe. So let's also add that the overall conversion rate. You know this conversion rate. Conversion rate. What is the conversion rate? For 47%.
Yeah.
7%. 7%. Meaning what now? Meaning nearly half, have half of all customers, half of all our customers, or I mean all contacts, people that are contacted. You can see, very simple reports. So the deposits status distribution chart shows the proportion of customers who subscribe to the bank's term. So deposit product versus those who do not subscribe. So here we have the key findings. The dataset contains 11,162 customers. Then 5,289 customers subscribe to the deposit product. Why 5,870 customers did not subscribe?
Yeah, that number is not totally. It's not supposed to equal the total number of customers.
If you calculate two of them, you say it's not equal to.
No, it's not.
I calculate it now.
And it's showing me 11,132. It means then that
11.
that's it.
Who else calculate it together? Somebody else should check it out.
Okay. Okay, it's correct. It's correct. It's correct.
Ah,
Sorry. I made mistake in that 5.8 instead of
okay, okay, no problem. So there are a lot of things you can add to this when you do your analysis. When explaining, you can make further research on it. So the chart indicate that customers, the chart indicate that banking marketing campaign achieved relatively strong response rate. It's almost half now, half of the customers. It's almost half of the customers. I think 47%. It's almost half of the customers that subscribe to that agree to subscribe. Almost half. So that is very strong one from them. So let's go back. I just show you how to make your reports as you're doing your presentation or as you're doing your chart, your dashboard. Also know how to do reports. So what is the next question? What is the next question? Subscribers by job. Subscribers by job. Now somebody will explain this one to me. Who is explaining to me?
Okay, so we have by job we have more management job apply. I'm subscribing to the bank terms. And
Okay.
then
Management.
yeah,
Okay. Then the list is what? Unknown. We don't know
unknown.
which
Yes.
ones.
Yes.
In management and technicians subscribe more.
Yes.
Subscribe more. Better than the other occupations.
Under application. Yes.
So you can explain that the way I just told you. Just take this thing and you can take this image, then put it and ask for the report.
Okay.
So to give a proper summary of it.
Okay.
Next. That is when you don't want to be writing it by yourself. Or
Right.
you want to write it by yourself, you have time.
Yeah.
No, now.
So these are the things now you now place on the PowerPoint, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
So if you have time, what I mean is that if you have time, you want to like using your words, so you can do that also. So let's go on. I will also show you guys my own presentation.
Okay.
When we are done, I will do my own and show us. But we cannot finish this stuff today. So next question, next chat. What is next chat? We have subscribe by education. Subscriber by education. So by education, secondary has the highest.
Mm.
Then monthly trend. Monthly trend. So for monthly trend, we make use of line charts. Months and conversion rate. So I'm using conversion rate for it. So the highest day is December now, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, highest conversion rate is December. Then I feel that is all for the first one. That is the first page. The first page.
That's all for the first page.
That is all for the first page. Then you have to use slicer. Slicers. How many slicers there?
4.
What are the slicers? One.
Month,
Month slicer.
job,
So make another one.
marital status, and education.
Job. Job. Then
Marital status.
marital status. And the last one.
Education.
Education. So that's all.
You have an extremely sharp brain if you can find at least 23 words.
No, that's not it. There's got to be 20 words in here somewhere. Yeah. No, that's only 3.
So now it's for us to do the dashboard. So few questions I like to ask us. Are we all there or some of us have left the class? Okay, we are still available.
We're still here.
Before I do the dashboard, let's answer this question. You answer it fast, finish fast. Hope you see the way I'm making the reports.
Yeah.
That's how you do your report. Oh yeah, somebody should answer this one. If you want me to go to the Power, what is it called? Power BI, let me know. Check the question. If you want to, let me know.
Let me. Can I answer? I can't even see the first. I need to, for me to answer this question, you need to see the chart.
Pick one. I'll show you chart now.
Okay, the number 1.
Number one.
December recorded the highest conversion rate.
Okay. December. Let me add them. So a line chart is very powerful because it does not tell, it does not just tell us what happened. It helps us to understand when it happened and allow us to predict the future performance. You can see that.
Yeah.
Showing us that that is what happened. It's showing us how it happened, the trend, how it's going. Can you see that?
Yeah.
So we can also sort this one. We can also sort it. Let's sort this stuff to make it more. I explained to us how to sort this kind of thing before. Who can remind us? To remember
What exactly are you trying to sort, please? So,
the months.
the months. Okay.
Yeah. So that it can be January, February, March, April, May, June, July.
Oh, okay. Months.
But
You click on the month. Okay. You highlight the month first now.
I like the months first. This is now.
Oh, are you
Okay.
adding month number?
And
I
then
want to sort it from January to December. So how do we do it? Just tell me what to do. I need you guys to do it first.
What about adding month number, Mr. Dan? Study this.
So how do we add the month number?
wait. Let me see.
Nobody. Nobody want to win my 1 million naira.
Well, you have to add another column.
Another column. Okay. Thank you.
With month number
Month number.
and sort by the column.
Eh? It was
And so, no, sort by that. No, you sort by the column now.
You said you add another column.
Yeah, you add another column.
Eh?
You sort by the number, the month
Which
number.
number? Which number now? No, you're telling me to add column. I've had column.
With
So
month number.
Equal to, I think,
That's okay. Equal to
months,
months,
then bank,
bank,
let me see if the column is a bank day.
bank day.
Should it be day?
Bank day is 1 to 30.
Is there months?
There's month now.
Yeah.
There's
Bank months.
back month.
Yeah.
Error. This is a me. Admin, where you dey? Admin got off this page. So. Where admin dey?
Mr. Dan, I'm here. Oh
yeah, service. If you encounter this stuff now, what would you do? What would you do?
Hold on, Mr. Dan.
Since it's not a particular date is not given. It's not given.
A particular what?
The date is not given now. Like date is not given inside this data set. What was given is just months, like in number. Text. Month,
Yes.
February, March, April. Then you can use your if or switch.
If or
You
switch.
can use if or switch. So as you guys started before, and as I add column, I want this one as now won't give me the answer.
We get the intro, we don't get
Switch Switch months. Switch month because it's very good that you align it like from January, February, March, April.
Yeah, like 1 to 12, right?
Then January. When is January? January is what? One.
First, yeah.
February, and it's, as you don't know, I don't know. February is 2.
Maybe like
March. March is 3.
3.
Then April is 4. Then May. May is what?
5.
5. Let me break it. Then June 6. July 7. Hey, this is a whole class, so 1 minute coming on. Leke. Come and do your cyber security lecture. Hello, Mr. Leke. Your student is waiting, no? Okay. Happy. Let's go. Yes, I'm coming on. Let me set up the class. Oh, where this one? Which one are they use? Which meeting are they use? This one. Hello, Mr. Festus. Yeah, good morning, sir. Welcome, sir. Wait, he has joined. Mr. Leke have joined. Okay. Sorry for the late. Sir. Let's go on. So where did I stop? 7, Abby?
Yes.
7, then August. August is what? 8. Then September. September is 9. August is 8. September is 9. Then October. November. Guys, then December. That is 12. So now, can you see this?
Yeah.
So I will sort this one now with that. I'll sort this one. Sort this one with the number. So so this is January. Can you see now? So let's go back to this place. So if you look at it now, like we have wait, let me check. Let me go back to that place again. Back to this place. March. Let's check. Month. There's issue here. Okay. So now I sorted this one. Clear sorts. Okay, we show that one. Months. Let's sort the months. Source month with
Mr. Daniel, my laptop will go off in a bit. So maybe I'll just check the in case it goes off anyway, I'll just let you know.
No problem. No problem. So this particular date not being number, let me check. It's giving us something different, but let's check first. Let's check. Let's sort it. Sort by number. Smallest to largest, okay. Hello, Mr. Vestos, what did you say? Hello, sir. What did you say?
No, I was having a discussion with him. He said if I have any question.
Okay.
I said no, except though after he gave me assignment to do, I don't know where I got maybe I got it wrong. After that, maybe he's going to put me through how.
I thought you were
When I
calling.
said the second one, the one I discussed with you yesterday, maybe I've discussed.
Yeah. We have discussed. We have discussed already. So by Monday. By Monday, you will get it by Monday, yes.
Okay, let's move on, please.
Oh yeah, let's go. So let me check again. Mm, December. Mm, July, August. Okay.
Let me share my screen so that I see what I've done.
Fifth. So
Okay,
we have convert that one. Since there is no date, let's just leave it like this first. But this is how you convert it first. But leave it like this first. Leave it like this first.
I think we work on this side.
Let's leave it like this first. We'll check it again later on.
So we said I should, as an assignment, I should work on this side. And before we close,
Let's confirm it. Use the workspace to communicate with Java.
Let me add that month first. Let me see.
Use it to communicate with Java.
Month number.
the first one,
The one that we did last week. Use the workspace to communicate with the server.
okay, PC, right?
Month
Yes.
number.
Okay. Is it the one I did or the one you did?
The one that I did.
Okay, set desktop.
April, May.
Yeah, it works. I think yours works. It's only mine that no
June.
one I see.
Okay, it's working now. So it's working there. Conversion rates.
This work.
So let's go back to the server.
The one you said I should work on, right?
Yes. Touch the system only. Don't click on it. Just touch it. Don't click. Just put your mouse.
So let's leave it like this first.
I just assigned to you.
Let's leave it like this. Conversion rate by month. So how many this thing do we have? How many cards do we have? Let's know the layout we are doing. We have 4 charts, Abby.
Click on it.
4 charts. Then we have how many cards? 1, 1, 2. How many slicer? 3,
Let's stop.
4. 4 slicers. Then this is the card. This is card that we have.
Okay, go back.
Do you know what? Do you know one thing some people do? They will just be using their head to arrange it. Do you get? Some people can use their head to be arranging it like this.
Go to command prompts.
You know what we have.
Okay, now in the third PC, ping it. I think this one I click on has 24. That one will be 21 or 22.
You mean this or this?
Yeah, either one of these two. Yeah.
So let's do our layout. Are we there?
Let's pick 24, right?
Ping 192 does not say the dots 28.
Are we there? Let's work on the layout.
So dots 2, dots 2, dots 22, dots 23. Enter. Time out.
So, hello everybody. Hello for those that are live. Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, Mr. Dan.
You know it's 4 pages you are doing.
Yes.
Should I complete the 4 or I should do one first?
Yeah.
Should
Do
I
one first.
okay. Who else? Who support her? Should I complete this one? We know that we have done with one. Or we should do the 4 analysis. I should do one first, Abby.
Yes, let's start with one first. Because it's already past
Okay.
10, so you can know where to.
Okay, yeah, we cannot complete that one.
Okay.
So me, I want to stop now, sir.
Enter. You see that it's communicating. Packets sent for 0.
So how many distance do we have? Somebody should let me know what I'm doing.
I think we used 3 on each of it. That is why you got it wrong.
How many are we doing?
On the right hand side here, I exclude.
How many slicer do we have?
Do you get it? I exclude from IP address. That is where we can see this one here. Now, from this side, you don't exclude. That is why the number follow each other. In the one here, the line has 2.1. I mean, this line here has 2.1. Yes, it has 2.1. Now, the next IP that will follow it will be 2.2. Is this one. 2.3, the next one. That's the middle one. 2.4, the next one. Now, from this side, I exclude about 10 IP address. 10 or 20 IP address I exclude here. That is why those ones that we exclude as a shift ID. Okay, get me.
Okay, now I did not exclude any IP.
Exactly. So why you don't exclude the IP address? It does prove that. So any system that comes here, there will be all automatic. Except you can control it manually.
I'm getting you like that. Oh, wait. From this side, okay, this one now come to 2, 3, 4. So this one, sorry, let me go back. Let me now take it back there. Let me see this.
And this one is
23,
Background
22,
color.
21.
21.
That means you exclude two IP address.
Background color.
You get it now, sir.
Yeah, now, sorry,
Wall color.
so
Custom.
how do I know? I know that you did something that you
So
were
181818. That's what you use.
we are going to configure it in case we have another system to copy, how to exclude them. Was it between
For the background.
this and this?
Yes. So any system that join
Should I go on?
first one here, any system that join it,
This one.
yes, any system that join it, it's rather the dynamic or static IP. If it's a system, if it's a PC,
Then shape.
the PC may have dynamic IP address. But if it's a server or printer, it will have static IP address. Do you get me?
If it's what? If it's a printer for me.
If it's a printer, no printer cannot have
Joel. Joel, where are you coming from? Mr. Joel, where you dey come from? So, more color. More color. Shape outline, no field. No field. So we have
Now, let's do something now. Use from the second side, the side that you configure, use it to communicate with the server if it will work. Let's see.
Okay. How do I do that? I click the router. Oh, sorry.
No, not the other. You click on the PC. One of the PC.
Yeah, there's router. On the PC. X right. Am I correct?
Yes.
What next? The server
group.
IP, right?
Yes.
I think I tried it. No work. 192.
Group. That will be title. Title will be here.
It's not working.
It's not working. Yeah. Because there's no connection between them. Don't you get me, sir?
Yeah, I thought that's not true. I tried it. No work. I still.
If you notice, the first one is using .1.0, that is for the network. The second one is using .2.0 for the network. Do you get it, sir? When we are doing IP, okay, let me explain better. When we are doing IP address, we talk about 192.168.1.0, that is for the network. 192.168.1.1, that is for the gateway. That is the one that you are seeing here. It's for the gateway. We talk about 192.168.1.255, that is for the broadcast. We talk about 192.168.2 or .1.2. So anyone from .2 to .254, those ones are for the IG, that are the valid IP address that can be given to systems, but can be given to devices. Do you get me now? So the network is what I will pass you. Like the way you can connect it to a Wi-Fi now or to our internet. So the network that you are using, the network that you are using is .0. Your gateway will be .1, and your this thing, your IP address that will be given to you will be between 2 and 256.
So, Mr. Is this like dashboard for one, just one question? So
For one question now.
why is it having so much?
Eh?
One question has like these four.
It's 4 dashboard now, 4 charts. 4 charts.
Oh, okay.
See now. Hey, God. So, yeah, done. I'm done. No, should I continue?
Oh, continue editing.
You should continue editing now. So, just of the background. Mr. Joel, they camp, don't enter camp. This is why. This is the color I use for the line. Pink. Then the title, I'll put it off. So the
I'm
title.
going to give now. But the RIP NG, those ones are designed for IP version 6.
Salam.
Yeah.
I greet you, sir.
Don't chat your name. Say it's up.
Sorry, Jerry.
Where you waka go?
There are versions for
You don't start finish.
Where I even go? They never give me call up number, Jerry.
Since how many years now? What did they happen?
I tire for them.
They don't want me young boots.
I don't tire for them.
I've been at because of your school.
Not be school, Jerry. NYC Palawa. I call up number, they want me.
Wow.
That's why they your place, sir.
How about with your guys?
Come on, those one, they are not serious,
You don't leave them, Abby.
I don't even register for another one, for class competition.
Okay. Online.
Oh, see your place.
Okay.
And they are there like this.
Oh. Okay, now cloud computing they do now.
I want get as big. Mr. Ken,
Oh,
Mr. Ken.
Mr. Kenny.
Mm.
They don't know what I hear about Mr. Kenny. Okay, he messaged me one time like that. He messaged me.
How about Temi?
Oh,
Temi.
Temi.
Mm.
Temi did now. Temi did now.
And after the start, I'll call you.
No wala.
So that when you are explaining, if I'm not able to respond fully, maybe I'm intending to someone. You get me? If you explain, I have the record. I'm reading it and I'm still watching the record. We have a very better understanding. Let's move on. I'm coming. I'm coming. Let me check the two notes that are put here. Okay. So I've sent something. Send it to you. Both of these things, they don't really have documentary. Like that. We are the one that we document it. And some of these slides, what I need to look for it, a lot of slides have come on it. You get this? A lot of slides have come on it. So I need to check and all the trending it. But I send one now that's more reliable. Let's quickly compare the RIP and you see how it works. Okay. So hit the enter button. Okay. Now I need configure terminal config T.
So for the donut chat, what should you name it?
Isn't it just deposit status?
Mm, um, you have off the title. Mm. What did you call the name?
Deposit status. Abi?
Okay.
Why
Thank you.
you?
Deposit status distribution. Yeah. Thank you, sir. So this is a subscriber by Jobna, right?
Yeah.
Why this one? Work on this test later on. Work on this later on. Let me laugh also over that. How? It would no sense now. Eh? What do you want to format now? Now you are on format. You come here. Mm-hmm. Come back to that one. Okay. So any question first? Before I go on. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. So showing you that you can add logo to it. I say that. You can insert logo, company logo to it. So then the final part. We have 6 6 left. Then these are the slicers. Remember one. Where that one day? Okay, month. So this is our slicer. Hello. So I think you guys can complete the Martin. I want to stop here. I've arranged it for you. You can complete it now. My battery is getting low. Okay.
Okay, no problem, sir.
Actually, I've done the major ones, Abby. So just to complete this one. So but by the time we meet, we can do the rest. So maybe that will be Saturday again or before Saturday. Bye bye. Take care.
All right, sir. Thank you.